From the beginning, there is a turning point which has come into my life. Like when my father expired, I had to manage everything on my own. So that was a turning point. I have to leave my education and start working. That after that, I went to Kuwait. That was my turning point because if I had not gone to Kuwait, probably I would not be making money over there. What changed my journey into being a brand as a Rizwan Sajan is social media. It reaches you to the whole world. आज मेरे पास कोलंबिया से कस्टमर आता है, वेस्ट इंडीज से कस्टमर आता है, कनाडा से आता है, अमेरिका से आता है. तो रिजवान सर हमने आपका इंटरव्यू देखा, हमने आपका रील देखा एंड ऑफ कोर्स काम भी किया है. एंड मैंने काम किया है तो उसको थोड़ा सा मैंने बताया भी है. जिस जैसे दुबई है, व्हेनेवर दे डू समथिंग दे मेक इट बिग. प्रॉपर्टी अगर कोई खरीदना चाहता है तो उन्होंने देखा है रिजवान साजन को इन द सोशल मीडिया एंड द रील्स एंड ऑल दैट. दे नो मी एज दे कैन ट्रस्ट मी. यार आई हैव टू पुट माई मनी ऑन दिस मैन एंड आई नो he will not cheat us. He will definitely give what he has promised. आप मलयाली का एक रेस्टोरेंट होगा, उसके बाजू में तुम दूसरा रेस्टोरेंट खोलने का कोशिश करो. थैंक गॉड भाई, मलयाली मैं सबको बोलता हूँ आने के लिए. आप लोग रियल एस्टेट में नहीं आना.
Hello and welcome to a brand new show called Vision Lab, The Leader Unscripted. My name is Pavitra Menon and I'm going to be the host of this show. Today's guest is somebody who owns one of the most recognized brands in the UAE. He has made every person dream about owning a home in this part of the region and done it too. The 1% man. Ladies and gentlemen, let's welcome Mr. Rizwan Sajan on Vision Lab.
Pavitra, so happy to have you and I love your accent and the way you speak.
You know, the moment we look at Mr. Rizwan Sajan, एक तो इनको intro की ज़रूरत ही नहीं है, but I have to say this, he's a walking, talking brand himself. Before Danube Group na, it is Rizwan that comes to our mind because you have established yourself like that. And मुझे जानना है कि ये आप ज़बरदस्ती करते हो कि सब आपके बारे में सोचे फिर डैन्यूब सोचे या यू नो समटाइम्स इट हैपन्स लाइक दैट राइट. ये एम्बिशन जो है, ये जो जुनून है, ये अंदर से आता है. नोबडी नीड्स टू टेल यू टू डू और बी द बेस्ट पीआर फॉर योर ब्रांड. कैसे हुआ?
एक्चुअली ये सोशल मीडिया की वजह से ऑफ कोर्स काम तो अच्छा किया ही
जी,
है. शुरू से जब हमने स्टार्ट किया बिल्डिंग मटेरियल, फिर डैन्यूब होम और प्रॉपर्टी, अभी 6,000 पीपल वर्किंग फॉर अस. तो काम तो करते आ रहे थे, बट what changed my journey into being a brand as a Rizwan Sajan is social media.
Of course.
Because today a lot of people, a lot of businessmen still don't realize how important is this social media and they are not coming on it. And I tell them, why guys, if you can see my success, you should be on social media.
अरे आइडियाज मत दे दो लोगों को.
नहीं, I तो want people to be on the social media. Social media के वजह से awareness काफ़ी बढ़ा है because it reaches you to the whole world. आज मेरे पास कोलंबिया से कस्टमर आता है, वेस्ट इंडीज से कस्टमर आता है, कनाडा से आता है, अमेरिका से आता है. बोले रिजवान सर हमने आपका इंटरव्यू देखा, हमने आपका रील देखा. सो दैट actually has changed myself into people recognizing me more. एंड ऑफ कोर्स काम भी किया है. एंड मैंने काम किया है तो उसको थोड़ा सा मैंने बताया भी है. जिस जैसे दुबई है, व्हेनेवर दे डू समथिंग दे मेक इट बिग. वी ऑल्सो एट डैन्यूब वी मेक श्योर हम लोग भी थोड़ा आवाज़ करते जो भी काम करते एंड उसका और अच्छा ही काम करते. अभी तक ऊपर वाले की दुआ से जो भी काम किया अच्छा किया और लोगों के सामने लाया है हमने. तो वो एक उसका फ़ायदा डैन्यूब की भी हुआ है. फॉर एग्जांपल प्रॉपर्टी अगर कोई ख़रीदना चाहता है तो उन्होंने देखा है रिजवान साजन को इन द सोशल मीडिया एंड द रील्स एंड ऑल दैट. सो दे नो मी एज दे कैन ट्रस्ट मी कि यार आई हैव टू पुट माई मनी ऑन दिस मैन एंड आई नो he will not cheat us. He will definitely give what he has promised. And over the years, they have seen me doing that. And that has helped me in my Danube properties. A lot of people from all over the world come. And when they want to buy the property, they definitely come to us. And that helps us in conversion.
The entire team, the Danube Group, they respect you for the person that you are. We will come to that part where you keep it absolutely grounded. But can we come back to this country, this region? जिन्होंने ड्रीमर्स को एक लाइफ दिया. पीपल हु ड्रीम हार्ड इन द यूएई मैनिफेस्ट टू डू समथिंग, टू स्टार्ट समथिंग ऑफ देयर ओन. एवरीबडी हैज हैड अ ग्रेट लाइफ एंड सो फॉर यू एज वेल, राइट, इंक्लूडिंग आपका. What does this country mean to you, truly mean to you?
Everything. today, because I came to Dubai 33 years ago, absolutely zero money in my pocket, just one briefcase I came with, and started as a brokerage, which we all know, and gradually made that brokerage into a building material company. That building material company today is the largest building material company, not only in Dubai, but the whole of GCC. Then we started Danube Home, then the property. But all this was possible because it started from Dubai, I would say. And the biggest advantage of people doing business in Dubai is it's very easy because we have business across the whole GCC. Not that we can't do business across the GCC and Europe and the world.
Right.
But here the ease of doing business is very very बहुत आसान है. यानी किसी को अगर बिजनेस करना है तो ज़्यादा सोचने की ज़रूरत नहीं है. उन्होंने, मैं तो बोलता हूँ कि जितने डेवलपर बाहर से अभी तक नहीं आए उन्होंने भी आ जाओ, बिकॉज आई विल बी वेरी हैप्पी. कंपटीशन बढ़ेगा तो थोड़ा सा मज़ा भी आएगा काम करने का. एंड दुबई इज़ अ ईजी प्लेस टू वर्क बिकॉज इफ आई हैव टू स्टार्ट माई ओन बिजनेस, the same business in some other country, it might not be that easy. The government might not welcome you with so much flexibility. Here anybody, whether you are known or not known, people want you to do the business and they will support you in whatever possible way. So that's what
That's
the
amazing.
vision of Sheikh Mohammed is there, that anybody who comes has a problem. आज भी geopolitical crisis हुआ है, सीधा हमको बोला है कुछ problem है, you come to us, if it's possible we'll solve it for you.
See, I mean, look at a pioneer real estate person talking about it and inviting competition. ये तो पहली बार हो रहा है, first of all. I've never heard anybody do this. But that's the thing. I said in this introduction कि आपका timing बहुत अच्छा था. But today, when I talk to anybody, when it comes to real estate, has it saturated? Has it reached a point where नहीं बहुत है इसमें? But you just mentioned there's still space in the market.
Huge space. Because Dubai is still underpriced. तो आप यकीन नहीं मानोगे, but Dubai is still affordable and lower in price compared to the whole world. I am sharing you one chart over here. You can see Dubai is lowest. We are talking almost $950 for a downtown, versus comparatively the highest is Monaco, which is around $6,000.
Wow.
So we have in between so many other countries. My own city, Mumbai, and Gurgaon with their Delhi they are even more expensive than Dubai. So Dubai has a long way to go, and population is only 4 million. They want to double it by 2040, and that they will definitely do that. So I personally feel that there is a lot of potential for everybody. There is a room for everybody.
Absolutely. लेकिन आपकी लाइफ में or the milestone that you have created, what was the turning point where you felt like things are changing for me? Which year was it, and what had happened then?
So there's no one point I can say which is a one turning point.
Right.
From the beginning, there is a turning point which has come into my life. Like when my father expired, I had to manage everything on my own. So that was a turning point. That I would, my father, if I have not expired, probably I was not forced to work more. I have to leave my education and start working. That after that I went to Kuwait. That was my turning point, because if I had not gone to Kuwait, probably I would not be making money over there. If I was this Iraq and Kuwait war did not come, that was a turning point, because if that war have not happened, I would be working in the company very happily where I was working in Kuwait, earning 15,000-20,000 dirhams a month. That I'm talking about 33 years ago. After that, coming to Dubai, starting my business was a turning point as a brokerage. Starting from brokerage to building material trading was a turning point. So everywhere there is a challenges which has come in front of me till today.
Yeah.
It's a turning point for me, and there's still a long way to go every day.
Absolutely. I think everything is considered as a milestone with regards to changes globally.
Then
right?
we introduced Shah Rukh.
Yeah,
that was
yes,
a turning
yes.
point, because so many people
Yeah.
started knowing us more compared to what we were knowing. Now we did the villa community.
No,
That is
I
a
think
turning
everybody
point.
knows Shah Rukh through Danube
No,
now.
no, ऐसी बात
No,
नहीं है. Shah Rukh
I'm
is
kidding, but I have to say this because ये business को थोड़ा सा अभी हम side में रखें. If I had to talk about Rizwan Sajan as a personality, who are you beyond all of this?
I'm a very humble, simple, grounded person, and I'm happy the way I am. And that is, I'm also happy that even my children are like that. If you look at my brothers, Anis, you met Anis.
Of course, yeah.
And then my son Adil.
The cricket person,
Yeah, the Mr. Cricket.
legend.
Adil, Anis's children.
Of course, yeah.
So we all grounded and humble person, inspired. My wife Samira also, if you look at her.
Sana.
She's so much
Yeah,
grounded.
yeah.
So touch wood, alhamdulillah, that is very, very important because I have seen some people, थोड़ा सा पैसे आ जाते ना, उनका दिमाग खराब हो जाता है. Like I remember one person coming to our office and he doesn't find the parking. And he goes away. बाबा तुम क्यों जा रहे हो? नहीं तुम्हारे बंदे ने हमको पार्किंग नहीं दी तो आई वेंट अवे. आई सेड बाबा तुम उतर के बोल सकते थे मुझे पार्किंग चाहिए यार. तो एटीट्यूड आ जाती है लोगों में कभी कभी, तो वो नहीं आना चाहिए मेरे हिसाब से.
तो ये हम्बल रखना या हॉस्पिटैलिटी जो है, ये सबसे बड़ा अहम प्रिंसिपल है आपके लिए?
नहीं, ये इनबॉर्न क्वालिटी आई वुड से. इट्स ए फादर मेरे हम्बल थे, बहुत हम्बल थे, बहुत. ही वॉज वेरी वेरी, जिसको बोल सकते मतलब यारों के यार, सबका ध्यान रखना, हॉस्पिटलिटी उनके सबसे बेस्ट थी.
that
तो
is the
उन्होंने
most
मुझे डाला
important.
है और मेरे से आदिल ने सिखा हुआ है.
Yeah.
सो और
Yeah.
अनीस ने सिखा हुआ है. तो
Right. That's amazing. And which was the most difficult moment for you?
when my father expired.
And
which
who was
I-
there with you? कोई
I-
कोई था आपके साथ to know and talk to you about it?
My
so that
family
you
was there. My wife was there. My wife was my first employee. So she was there with me. So that, and my, of course, the most important, the reason today the success of my company is the staff which I have.
Yeah.
इतने अच्छे लोग हैं मेरे साथ काम करने वाले,
जी.
इतना उन्होंने सपोर्ट करते हैं मुझे कि
Yeah.
अनबिलीवेबल.
And I
अभी भी
think
देखो बैठे हैं
personally-
कम से कम 4-5 लोग तो आपको बाहर नजर आएंगे कहीं ना कुछ.
बिल्कुल. आई थिंक मुझे हमेशा दिख जाता है कि आपको बहुत ही ज़्यादा वो इंस्पायर भी हो जाते हैं और उससे ज़्यादा आपको मोटिवेट भी करते हैं कि सर ये करते हैं साथ में.
मैंने
let's do this.
आज अल्टीमेट दिया है कि 7 बजे के बाद मेरा मीटिंग नहीं बुक करना अभी.
देखिए, तो मेरा एक्सक्लूसिव
मेरा मतलब कि मुझे लोग 9, 9:30, 10 बजे तक बिठा दे.
और उसके अलावा मुझे लग रहा है कि सबसे इंटरेस्टिंग बात ये है कि आपको बुलाया जाता है 1% मैन, राइट? एंड विच इज़ वेयर एवरीबडी थॉट अरे we can also own a home. How did you make this possible?
See, number one person was very important because when we started into real estate, we realized that 85-90% of the people who are living in Dubai and they want to live in, they don't want to go back. And they are paying rent by the nose. And every year the rents were increasing. I said, when I'm going to start this property, I'm not going to target the big villas and high-end villas and all that. I'm going to target these people who are wanting to live in Dubai or live in UAE and make their career over there. And instead of renting, they should own this house. But how do they own? Because they are all salaried people. And the banks would not give them a loan on an off-land property. I said, I'm going to give them loan. That means I'm going to offer them something, a scheme, which they can easily afford and pay that. And that's how we came out with this idea of pay the down payment of 20% and 1% per month. Now that idea was initially planned for the people who are living in UAE. But as this idea started getting popular, people realized that even from India, Pakistan, Sri Lanka, London, UK, America, people think, yeah, we can own a house in Dubai with this 1% payment plan, and it became viral.
Yeah.
And so that I can own now a house with that 1% payment plan. And it worked very well. And I'm so happy because more than 32,000 houses we have launched, out of which 20,000 already delivered. And 20,000 people, I have this house because of this 1%. And there are so many stories, Pavitra, what do I tell you? मतलब कभी कभी आंसू आ जाते, वो लोग आते हैं हमारे साथ में कि रिजवान अगर आप शायद ये स्टार्ट नहीं करते तो हमारे पास ये प्रॉपर्टी नहीं होती थी. आई एम सो हैप्पी कि बिकॉज ऑफ दिस वी आर एबल टू ओन दिस हाउस. And I'm glad that this has worked for them, worked for us. Banks have supported us, and Alhamdulillah, this is working. And now, of course, a lot of people are copying the same thing.
Yeah, I've seen that too. But you know, that's the thing. आपने middle class लोगों को सपना दिखाया है
Yeah.
कि whether they buy it or not, at least they will think.
Yeah, they definitely think. And second thing, what happened was, you asked me about the amenities. Okay, amenities. When my son was growing up, okay, because I was in the business, we had a car and a driver. But Adil wanted to go to different sports classes, swimming classes. In our building, we never had any all this amenities. So she used to take कभी swimming में class में लेके गई, कभी कोई sport उसको. He was playing this long tennis. He was very interested in that. उसको boxing खेलने का शौक था. तो अलग अलग जगह पे she used to drive him, drop him, pick him up, drive him, drop him, pick him up, and वो सब करती थी. तो then I realized कि why not I offer all this in my building. So the lady can be free. She can do what she want because now right now what is happening is because the husband and wife both are working, the children are where on the iPad, iPhone, or watching a TV, social media. There is because the wife, children, the parents don't have the time to take them to the sporting areas. We created this amenities inside the building so everybody can enjoy. डिलीवरी कैसे फास्ट करता हूँ ये आज कॉन्ट्रैक्टर जो है बिकॉज वी आर द बिगेस्ट बिल्डिंग मटेरियल सप्लायर इन द होल रीजन आई नो हु इज़ अ गुड कॉन्ट्रैक्टर हु इज़ बैड कॉन्ट्रैक्टर द बेस्ट कॉन्ट्रैक्टर हायर करते हैं प्रोजेक्ट लॉन्च करते हैं ट्रस्ट की वजह से वी आर एबल टू सेल द प्रोजेक्ट वेरी फास्ट सो द मनी गोज इन टू द एक्सक्रो तो एक्सक्रो में पैसा पड़ा हुआ है कॉन्ट्रैक्टर सही फाइनलाइज करते हैं कॉन्ट्रैक्टर मैं एवरी सैटरडे आई विल गो टू द साइट विजिट टू चेक क्या हो रहा है क्या नहीं तो कॉन्ट्रैक्टर इज़ वेरी हैप्पी कि साइट पे आया पैसे उसको मिल रहे बिल्डिंग मटेरियल मेरा खुद का है बिकॉज 75-80% द बिल्डिंग मटेरियल विच गोज इन टू द कंस्ट्रक्शन ऑफ एनी बिल्डिंग इज ऑल्सो लाइंग विथ मी सो ऑल दिस फैक्टर फिक्स टुगेदर कॉन्ट्रैक्ट बोले पैसे मुझे मिल रहा है फटाफट बिल्डिंग मटेरियल मुझे दे रहा है रिजॉन भाई अप्रूवल भी फटाफट दे देते कि ये वेरिएशन है वो वेरिएशन है ये डिज़ाइन है तो वो भी हो जा रहा है मेरा तो ही इज़ ऑल्सो मोर देन हैप्पी टू वर्क विद अस कलेक्ट हिज मनी एंड go and
That's the thing. I think this is trustworthy relationship that you built with
वो एक
everybody.
combination बैठ गया एक formula
बहुत ही बढ़िया. That's
जहाँ-
amazing.
absolutely
Yeah.
and that is
And
the
that's
reason
the
we are
thing.
able to offer customers faster delivery.
Also, you're staying ahead of the curve, na?
Yeah.
अगर आपने कुछ start किया है and you see a lot more developers doing it today, that means it has worked. That formula
Yeah,
has worked.
absolutely it worked.
Now, when we speak of amenities, I have to talk about Greens, which is the brand new Danube Group का villa and townhouse community.
Yes.
पहले तो मुबारक हो for stepping into that side of villa and community in townhouses. The kind of range of amenities you're bringing in for people. तो आप बताइए कि वहाँ पे how is it different from the rest of the plan? Of
See,
course, it's a villa community.
Yeah, villa
but-
project. See, townhouse and villa is more the maximum in demand in Dubai,
हाँ.
and sold also very fast.
Yes.
Nobody in Dubai has ever given 1% payment plan in townhouse and villa. We are the first one to do that.
Oh wow.
Same 1% we are giving in the townhouse and villa. Okay.
Okay.
Then we are talking about fully furnished. If you look at that furnishing, या फर्नीचर आपको अच्छा लग रहा है ना इससे बेटर है इससे बेटर
that's
फर्नीचर
nice.
वी हैव यूज्ड विद द पैनलिंग एंड ऑल दैट इन दैट पर्टिकुलर कम्युनिटी
That's
देन वी आर
amazing.
टॉकिंग अबाउट एम्यूनिटीज भर भर के एम्यूनिटीज दिया हुआ है विला के अंदर प्राइवेट लिफ्ट दिया हुआ है ऑल द बेडरूम्स आर विद प्राइवेट बाथरूम मेड रूम ऐसा लगेगा यार नॉर्मल मेड तो रखनी नहीं चाहिए रॉयल मेड ही होनी चाहिए इतना अच्छा मेड रूम भी बनाया है
The rents that you get if you want to buy and also kind of rent it out is great idea
Absolutely.
here
8 to
compared to
10%
you do
rental
that
मिलता है यहाँ
there,
पे।
right? But when I compare to my investment back in any other country and the kind of interest that I have to pay the bank plus the rents are so low and I feel like this is a great place to do all of that. Anyway, now let's move on to the world today. We're navigating through a very challenging phase आजकल आपने वो बोला भी था you mentioned about the geopolitical problems that we are facing today but UAE hats off to the visionaries the leaders how they've kept us together and I'll tell you one thing I actually went for one of the summits in the session and I met His Excellency Sheikh Nahyan and one thing I told him was the way you kept us together the trust that was built. None of us flinched or moved or thought to even go back. And I even asked people who are content creators, मेरे industry में, and all of them unanimously, पता है एक चीज़ कह रहे थे कि I will not even think of going back. I would rather be safe here.
एब्सोल्युटली
Right? इस time पे, as the head, the founder of Danube Group, have you ever thought of the salaries to lay off? Have you ever thought about that or you were like नहीं इनका सेम ही रहेगा?
उनका सेम ही रहेगा और उनको हमने एक कमिटमेंट भी दिया आई एम नॉट गोइंग टू ले ऑफ एंड आई एम गोइंग टू पे द सैलरीज ऑन टाइम
Oh wow.
so that was a big commitment I had made that during the covid time also at that time around I had 3000 people now I have 6000 people working for me
Oh no way.
6000 people सबको हमने बोला कि we are not going to lay off or your salaries will be paid because they are my people they are the people who have worked for me and made the company how can I leave them they are like my family उनको नहीं छोड़ सकता हूँ मैं तो वो और कोविड के टाइम पे भी ऐसा हुआ था कि जब भी हमने कमिटमेंट किया ना तो लॉट ऑफ पीपल से रिजवान हाउ आर यू गोइंग टू मैनेज
Exactly.
टच वुड मैनेज हो गया और व्हेन द कोविड थिंग वेंट अवे आवर प्रॉफिट्स
Skyrocketed.
into skyrocket. And I know this time also it's going to happen the same thing.
Inshallah.
Because उनको एक पता है कि डेन्यूब में काम कर रहा हूँ, मेरी रोजी रोटी चलेगी, कंपनी डेफिनेटली हमारा सैलरी देगा हमको टाइम पे, और हमको ले ऑफ नहीं करेगा.
And that's a big thing because a lot of companies go through even एक महीना अगर उनका
Obviously, I mean,
break
imagine
even
करो.
नहीं हुआ, it's going into a big loss. आप नजर में बिलीव करते हो?
Of course.
जी?
Yeah.
क्या करते हो उसके लिए?
नजर मतलब आई वुड से, देखो सक्सेस होने के लिए तीन फैक्टर्स की जरूरत होती है.
बताइए.
3 या 4. एक तो तुम्हारे में एंटरप्रेन्योर क्वालिटी. You should have that entrepreneurial quality for you to succeed. Like when I have to say in a little layman language, अगर तुम क्रिकेट खेलते हो तो तुम क्रिकेटर बाहर बैठ के तो बोल सकते हो यार ये तो इतना इजी बॉल था, 6 मार सकता था वो. बट तुम वहाँ अगर बैठ के खेलते हो तो तुमको पता है कि वो बैट को किस तरह से घुमाना है, और कितने भी तुम बड़े अच्छे खिलाड़ी के तुम बेटे क्यों ना हो, तुम उसको वो सक्सेसफुल कभी कभी नहीं होता है, क्या ट्रेनिंग नहीं मिलती है. तो वो खुद में वो क्वालिटी होनी चाहिए एज ए स्पोर्ट्समैन और अ बिजनेसमैन की. तो टच वुड वो क्वालिटी इज वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट.
आप में कौन सी क्वालिटी है?
आई थिंक एंटरप्रेन्योर क्वालिटी, आई वुड से आई हैव दैट बिकॉज आई नो दैट डिसीजंस आई टेक एंड मेजॉरिटी ऑफ द डिसीजंस आर राइट. आई एम नॉट सेइंग ऑल, बट ऑफ द 10 डिसीजंस आई टेक 7 or 8 आर right, and that's how we are able to move forward. Then I would say the risk taking capability. एक रिस्क भी लेना, एक कितना रिस्क लेना, बट उसके अंदर भी कैलकुलेटिव रिस्क लेना होता है. एंड थर्ड, आई वुड गिव द क्रेडिट to the hard working, and the fourth to the luck. So divide into 25. Entrepreneurial quality, risk taking capability, then the luck
behind it all.
Absolutely.
I think thank you for this nazariya that you're bringing in, the perspective and the insight that you're bringing in.
And hard work बहुत जरूरी है. उसको तो उसके बला काम ही नहीं हो सकता. तुम बैठे तुम काम नहीं कर सकते हो.
Yeah. Okay, now that we're talking about Kerala so much, what is your connection with the state Kerala?
I love Keralite people, and I'm not saying this only in front of you, Pavitra. I've told time and time again. I find them a very, very good businessman. When I was growing up, they were my neighbors. When I was living in Kuwait, I was living with some Keralites over there. So the Kerala food, so my favorite, if somebody asks me what's your favorite food, fish curry is to die for with the paratha. So my favorite dish.
मुंह में पानी आ रहा है मेरा.
मुंह में पानी आ रहा है, सही में. I find Keralite people very hardworking. Luckily for us, we don't have many Keralites in our business. So only couple of them are there, and I'm happy they are not there, because if they are there, you know, it's not easy to survive in front of them, because they work very hard, more harder than me.
Really, you think so?
Really, I think so.
So Malayalis work harder than
Malayalis work hard, and they are very, very.
Do you think it comes from parota?
आप रेस्टोरेंट, आप मलयाली का एक रेस्टोरेंट होगा, उसके बाजू में तुम दूसरा रेस्टोरेंट खोलने का कोशिश करो, तुम सक्सेसफुल नहीं रहोगे, क्योंकि वो 24 आवर्स काम करता है वो.
आई थिंक मुझे लग रहा है मलयालीज को ना यहाँ पे डेवलपर्स रियलिटी से ज्यादा ज्वेलरी बहुत पसंद है.
अरे आप
ज्वेलरी आप देख रहे हो,
ज्वेलरी उसके सामने दूसरा कोई ज्वेलर आया है?
आई थिंक ऑल्सो द कम्युनिटी ना, सब साथ में ऐसे रहते हैं सबको.
थैंक गॉड भाई, मलयाली मैं सबको बोलता हूँ आने के लिए, आप लोग रियल एस्टेट में नहीं आना. आप ब्रोकर बन के आ सकते हो, डेवलपर नहीं बन.
ओके, नाउ क्विकली वी गो गोइंग इनटू अ रैपिड फायर राउंड. गाइस, सो वन वर्ड आंसर, वन वर्ड फॉर दुबई. क्या कहना चाहोगे?
अनस्टॉपेबल.
मनी और इम्पैक्ट?
आई थिंक रिजल्ट, आप करो काम, मनी अपने आप आएगा. काम सही तरीके से करोगे ना, पैसा फॉलो करेगा कोई भी चीज में. वॉट एवर यू डू. आज टुडे पब्लिक इतना आंख बंद करके लेते क्यों है कि काम अच्छा किया है.
रिस्क या स्टेबिलिटी?
स्टेबिलिटी.
मॉर्निंग पर्सन और नाइट थिंकर?
मॉर्निंग पर्सन.
बिजनेस डील और फैमिली डिनर?
Business deal.
Be honest. Then. Okay, what?
I'm known for it. My family, I have not been given so much time.
अरे उनके sacrifices की वजह से
तो हुआ. Business deal. रात को अगर family dinner होगा, business deal होगा, I'll choose और business deal.
अभी बुलाओ मैम को. One habit you swear by?
Hard working.
है ना? तो ये रहा हमारा रैपिड फायर. अब गिफ्ट की वजह से हम यहाँ पे बहुत प्यार देना चाहते हैं. देयर इज़ अ लॉट ऑफ लव फ्रॉम द एंटायर टीम ऑफ विजन लैब. थैंक यू सो मच फॉर बीइंग हियर. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल, आई थिंक दिस हैज़ बीन अ वेरी कैंडिड कॉन्वर्सेशन. ये हमारी पहली मुलाकात नहीं है, बहुत पहले हम मिल चुके हैं. एंड आई हैव सीन द ग्रोथ फ्रॉम वन बिल्डिंग टू अनदर टू अ कम्युनिटी एंड बिल्डिंग दैट कम्युनिटी एज फार एज इट कैन, स्पेशली विद ग्रीन्स बाय डैन्यूब राइट नाउ. थैंक यू सो मच. It was lovely having you here.
Thank you. Bye bye.